Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, the home of the smartest car tech reviews. Today, we're checking out a total game changer for your driving experience, the wireless Apple CarPlay Screen for Car 4K Dash Cam, 9-inch portable car stereo with built-in Android Auto, GPS navigation, and a 1080p backup camera. If your car doesn't come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, this sleek portable screen instantly upgrades your dashboard into a smart infotainment center. No installation headaches or messy wiring. Just mount it, plug it in, and you're ready to roll. The 9-inch ultra-clear display brings a crisp 4K-like resolution that makes maps, calls, and music apps look stunning even in bright sunlight. What's impressive is how responsive the touchscreen feels. Swiping between navigation, Spotify, or your favorite podcast app is buttery smooth. Now, here's where it gets better. This unit doubles as a front and rear dash cam system. The front-facing camera records in high-definition 4K, while the included 1080p backup camera gives you crystal-clear rear visibility. It automatically switches to rear view when you shift into reverse, making parking effortless and safer. Connectivity is on another level. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can mirror your phone's interface, use Siri or Google Assistant, and manage everything hands-free, from navigation and music to calls and messages. Plus, Bluetooth 5.0 ensures strong audio streaming and stable voice calling. You also get built-in GPS navigation, even without a phone connection. The Mirror Link feature allows you to cast any app directly from your phone onto the big screen, great for YouTube or video playback during downtime. Whether you're upgrading an older vehicle or want a cleaner digital cockpit, this wireless CarPlay screen delivers premium features without the premium price tag. So if you're ready to transform your car's interior into a modern smart cockpit, check out the wireless Apple CarPlay Screen with 4K dash cam today. Don't forget to buy it now on Amazon, and hit subscribe for more daily gadget reviews from Gadgetverse.